Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I'm so excited to be here again with you guys on tonight, a Wednesday night, TGIW, super excited. In today's video, I'm going to be digging into some more glitter, but we're also going to be working with some purples and some teals and some gold. And what other color did I do? And like some fuchsia. And so this video has come highly requested from Carla and Courage. They're like, when are you going to do purple glitter? So I finally, I have a running list. So if you ever are like, oh, you should make this, I want this, put it in the comments, leave it in my comments, and you know, hopefully I'll do it soon. But I've been working through the list, so I'm super excited to bring this collection to the shop. But here you're just going to see me mixing some custom colors. Really, I'm not doing anything special. Just really kind of mixing up some purples and some pinks to make some fuchsias and some blues. And really just, some of it is new clay, but the blue was mostly like some scrap clay that I had of some other collections. So really going off this color palette of doing these blues, the fuchsias, and really and truly this is Courage's color scheme almost for her brand. So I really just use that as kind of an inspiration. They're not exact, but pretty close. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been a part of the Oh So Pretty squad, I'm so glad that you're back. If you want to join the squad, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and you are in. On this channel, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my handmade accessories business, as well as give you helpful tips and helpful information for running a small handmade or product-based business. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's create something oh so pretty. Alright, so let's get right into this. So for the base of this earring, I'm just doing the rip and tear method, basically just kind of really getting all my colors on the white clay. I use the white as a base, and I'm basically just going to roll that out so it's flat, and I am preparing it for a silk screen that I'm going to use. I'm using this striped one. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a white, but I really don't want this to be like thick. I almost want it to be like a heathered look to it. So it's not like bold white lines, but more so heather kind of like lines, not really bold and really super stand out. So I used a thinner paint for this. I think this paint, I got it from the Dollar Tree or something like that. So that's why I didn't use like a Liquitex or something like that. That was really thick because I wanted it to kind of really still show the colors through the white paint. I didn't want the colors to completely disappear, but I wanted to have that pattern on top. So I think it really worked out. I mean, first of all, the colors are freaking gorgeous. And I just really love how the white stripes, you can still see the color through it, but then it really adds this layer of dimension and depth to the pattern. And then in the future, you're going to see when the resin, oh my gosh, the colors just pop. So here I am going through and I'm just cutting out some of the shapes that we're going to use today. And then I cannot wait to see what I do with the skeleton, so what's left over. So I'm going to end up having some of the earrings have a really clear, distinct stripe pattern to them. But then you're going to see soon that how I do the scrap, I mean, sometimes when you're making these collections or when you're making these earrings, it's so random and weird because sometimes I love like what I can do with the scraps even more so than the original slab or whatever. And not more so, but I mean, I'm just like, wow, it's just so pretty. So I really love this collection and how I really just reinvented the scraps and kept using those. So you're going to see what it comes out to look like, but I'm really super excited for these. And these aren't even so much my favorite colors. I love fuchsia. I love the teals and the golds. And this color blue isn't bad. But just in a whole, I mean, I'm really digging how these turned out. And yeah, I'm definitely going to keep myself a pair. So let's, you know, I do this. This slab ends up making, I think I end up having about 2 slabs because I cut it in half, or maybe 3. Maybe I got 3. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I got quite a nice size collection from this. So yeah, let's continue watching me kind of get all of this together. All right, so for whatever reason, I don't think I'll show you guys what I do with the scraps, but basically I just take whatever is left and I put that on a white. So all of those little scraps off to the side, I'm going to take those and I'm going to add those to a white background, and they just, it almost looks like patchwork, really. It's just such a cool look, and you'll see those, you'll see what that looks like when I start to resin them, because it just looks super cool. Okay, the last component I want to make for these are the glitter. So basically this color is just straight out of pack, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the purple, I didn't really do any custom. I did make a custom glitter for this though. So basically what I took was a bigger hex glitter and I mixed it with a fine glitter. So you will see up close whenever, if you get these or whatever, whenever I show, you'll kind of see that there are 2 different types of glitter. So it's a smaller glitter plus a bigger glitter. And I really love the way this looks, especially on the clay. It really fills in, the fine glitter can really fill in all the gaps. And then you have the dimension of the bigger glitter added. Just about all of these on this mat, except a couple of them, are the skeleton. So as you can see, those particularly those 2 circles up at the top, they are where I've just basically took whatever was left from the skeleton, or whenever I cut the initial ones out. So like those 2 arches at the bottom, they're from the initial, but those rounder ones, a lot of those round ones are from whenever I had the skeleton. So yeah, as you can see, it just made almost a more cooler pattern than the original ones, which I still love the original ones, but the pattern is so cool. And then after that, I had still some of the colors left, so I decided to go in and do a hand painted one. So I used some of the rest of the colors, and I went in with some hand painting and just kind of really made a whole different design for that. And then I also made some glitter ones as well. And sorry guys, on this clip you see like a little blurry area right there in the middle of the screen. There was actually something on my lens. It's so funny. When I was playing back that footage, I was like, what is that on my screen? I opened up my camera and it was like a little spot of like stickiness, and I think it's like maybe I accidentally slung some resin up at my camera. I'm not sure, but I was able to get it off. But I was just like, oh, that was why this was blurry, because there was something on my lens. Anyways, I am assembling these now, trying to really figure out what's going to go with what. I love that I decided to do almost like one of my makers, she calls it like pattern clashing almost. And I think that is kind of what ended up here, because I did pair some of the patterns together, which I think is really like avant-garde. It's just really different, and I feel like these are the type of earrings that you can put on with like any color solid shirt that's in the color palette, and then the earrings are just going to take your outfit to the next level because of they are just so special. They are just so colorful. They're just so bright and vibrant. I think you can wear them with like a white t-shirt and some denim. I think you can wear them with like a solid, you know, mustard top or blue top, or even a denim button down would be super cool. Super cool. A denim button down top with maybe some, you know, you know what would be a cute outfit? I probably would never wear this outfit, but like a denim top with some white jeans and these earrings. Oh, I can just see that in my head. Super cute. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I did not get a chance to assemble these earrings on camera because my glitter resin was not set up yet. So I'm just really going to show you guys what they look like. I have some more up close shots for you as well. So just take all of the goodness in. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see these? I mean, they are gorgeous. Now, you guys know I'm like a real fan of pink, and there's pink in it, but these right here are giving me so much life, like so much life. Those ones right there, they need a top. I need to make another glitter top or something to go with those. I ran out of tops. But oh my goodness. Y'all see that hand painted? I painted the gold and those little white dots on there. The stripes, the glitter. I mean, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want to see this goodness, because it's coming. I mean, I got bangers coming for y'all, so stay tuned.